I'm down over 200 pounds. I got a new snack haul. I got sweet and savory things, but I kind of think I want to start with the sweet stuff. So let's do just that. This snack haul is from Thrive Market. Okay, I gotta put this down. This is way too much. Way too much. Y'all ain't gonna believe this when you see it. Oh, I'm not done. I can't see you. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Okay, so this is low sugar cereal. And each serving has, I do believe, like 13 grams of protein. So I got Magic Spoon cereal. I'm addicted to this stuff, but I've not tried all the flavors. Just one, and that was enough to know I was addicted, okay? This is birthday cake. Honey nuts, so like Honey Nut Cheerios. Cinnamon roll. Maple waffle. This is the one I tried, and it was enough to know you're addicted, okay? Fruity cereal. I'm excited about that one. And then blueberry muffin. I'm in a big calorie deficit right now because that double chin, she's starting to creep back in. I got rid of a triple chin, honey. I ain't trying to let the double come back. You know what I mean? Ain't no chins coming back. So just like one piece. We can't go crazy with these. Oh, that's good. Now fruity. You don't even need Fruit Loops. This one's good. I've already had it. I can tell you. Maple waffle. Divine. Okay. Cinnamon roll. That's nice. Let's see if it tastes like a Cheerio. They had a cocoa one too, like a chocolate. I'm not like a huge chocolate fan. I like it more now than I did before, but like, I don't know. Chocolate cereal was never my thing, so I didn't get it. Okay, let's see if it tastes like a Cheerio. Dare I say I like that better than a Cheerio? This one's interesting. Birthday cake. We shall see. Oh, it's even pretty looking. Can you see it? Look at that. Okay. That took me a second. Yeah. I taste like frosting or something. Okay. And then I got some drinking chocolate for like hot chocolate because it's going to start getting a little chilly outside. And then I got an organic vanilla, like low sugar syrup. This is thick, so I'm curious to try that. I don't know. We'll see what I do with it. I got some new bars. These are Dang bars. These are keto. This one is peanut butter flavor. I'm just doing a little baby taste test because I already have my calories mapped out for the day. We're not trying to ruin this whole day. You know, we're doing good. Can you see what it looks like? That looks really good. Okay, little taste test. And then I got some Coconut Crisp dark cocoa sea salt. I figured I could add these to some yogurt or something like that for crunch. I don't know. We'll see. They are keto friendly. I love pancake mix. That's low sugar. This one is the chocolate chip. I was about out of this, so I had to grab some more. And then I got organic caramel flavored syrup. So yeah, we'll see.